Right, so hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you on how to install Discord on Windows 11. So from Windows 10 onwards it was pretty simple. You go into your browser, search for Discord and install. But in Windows 11 it's a bit different. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to open your Microsoft Store, make sure you have an active internet connection, okay, and you're going to search for Discord. Open that and the first link will be Discord. Okay, let it load and click on install. So basically, yeah, this will install for you. It will download and install the Discord application. You can sign in and you can run Discord as usual. So it's a very simple process. It's mostly a store based downloading system in Windows 11, so it's a bit different from you going to your browser and downloading it separately. So that's all for this video guys. Hope it helped, and yeah, thanks for watching.